Hi everyone, today we're exploring the AZSKY shelves with black metal brackets, a set of 3 extra-large floating shelves made from natural solid pine wood. Each shelf measures 36 by 7.9 by 0.6 inches and features unique wood grain, handcrafted with an oil-based paint coating for waterproof protection. The combination of rustic pine wood and industrial black metal brackets suits both modern and traditional home styles. These versatile shelves are perfect for displaying decor, organizing toiletries, storing kitchen items, or holding books and collectibles in any room. They support up to 20 pounds thanks to sturdy metal brackets and come with everything needed for easy installation. Adding these shelves instantly brings a warm, natural vibe to your living space while keeping it neat and stylish. Enjoy a simple yet durable solution to elevate your home organization and decoration. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.